One of the big problems with bites is when the lower jaw hasn't grown enough to keep up with the upper jaw and an overbite develops.
So in the past, whenever a child had an overbite, the options were really to correct the overbite using headgear or by taking out healthy adult teeth. So if you do headgear or take out healthy adult teeth, you're then taking the healthy upper jaw that wasn't the problem in the first place and pushing it back so that now you have two jaws that match, but they're both pushed back. So instead, what we want to do is encourage the lower jaw to grow forward and match the healthy upper jaw. So now we'll have two jaws that are forward. Not only does this actually address the problem jaw, but it also helps support the airway since the airway is attached to the back of the lower jaw.
One of the ways that we correct the overbite when kids are growing and going through their main growth spurt is we use what's called a Herbst appliance. A Herbst appliance is used to encourage the lower jaw to grow forward in the proper direction. Treatment time usually takes about 12 to 15 months.
Every 3 months, move the jaw forward about 2 to 3 millimeters to mimic the natural growth that occurs in the lower jaw. After about a year's time, we'll remove the Herbst appliance and add in lower braces, which haven't been included up to that point. The upper braces stay on, and usually it takes about another year and a half, sometimes a little bit more, to finalize the bite and create the smile that your child's always deserved.
By doing this, we avoid the need for jaw surgery later on because we're able to correct the bite through growth. The ideal age for a Herbst appliance is usually around age 11 for girls and age 12 for boys, but it's all dependent on when the child starts to go through their main growth spurt because we want to be able to utilize that time while they're growing to be able to correct the bite. The success rate that we have in using this appliance, especially when we're using it while children are going through their growth spurt, is incredible.